Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to install the Lumi application on your computer across different operating systems, Ubuntu, Windows and macOS. Before installing Lumi, let's understand what is Lumi. Lumi is a free and open source software, interactive content creation tool that can be used to make classroom more interactive and engaging without requiring any advanced technical skills from the teachers. It provides a simple way to create and share rich interactive content. Before you begin the installation, make sure your computer is connected to the internet to download an installable package. Let's start by demonstrating the installation process on Ubuntu. On the top left corner of your screen, you will see an option called Menu. Click on it and you will find several categories. Under System Tools, look for an application called Mate Terminal. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Alt+T. Else, you can simply type terminal into the search bar within the menu to find it quickly. Now, type the following command exactly as shown. The command is shown on the screen. It is also provided in the video description for your convenience. Once the command is entered, press enter on your keyboard to run it. After you press enter, the system will prompt you to enter your system's admin password. As you type, nothing will appear on the screen, not even dots or asterisks. This is completely normal. Make sure to enter your password correctly. If there is a mistake, the system will simply ask you to try again. Once you have typed the correct password, press enter. The installation will now begin. It may take a few seconds to complete. Once it's done, you will see a confirmation message that ends with the word installed. Now that the Lumi has been successfully installed, you can close the terminal. To open Lumi application, click on the menu again, type Lumi in the search bar and click to open it. It can be seen in Accessories section inside the menu option. Once Lumi opens, it will ask you to agree the terms and conditions. To proceed, just click on Accept All and that's it. Now you can use Lumi. When you are installing Lumi on your Windows computer, you need to follow these steps. First, open any of your internet browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, etc. Here I'll be using Firefox. In the top search bar, type the keyword Download Lumi. Click on the site that starts with Lumi Education. Make sure to click on the official Lumi site that begins with lumi.education. It usually the first results. A direct link has been provided in the description. As soon as you open the site, you will find an option called Lumi Desktop Editor. Click on it. It will redirect you to the download page. On the download page, you will see multiple download options for Windows, Mac and Linux. Under Windows column, you will notice a few more download choices. For now, we will click on Download Installer for single user. Once you click on that, the Lumi installer will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish. After the download is complete, double click on the downloaded file, wait for a few seconds. The installation will start automatically. Once you open the Lumi application, it will ask you to agree some of their policies. Simply click Accept All to start using Lumi. To open your Lumi application again, go to Windows search bar and type Lumi. You will see the Lumi application appears in the search results. Click on it and you can start using Lumi. Now, let's see how to install Lumi on macOS. Before you install Lumi on your Mac, there is one simple thing you need to check about your device. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select About this Mac. A window will appear showing some basic information about your Mac. On the second line, you will see whether your Mac has an Intel processor or an Apple M1 or M2 processor. In my case, it says Intel. Just remember of which one you have. The installation steps are the same for both types of processors, but the file you need to download is different depending upon your Mac processor. First, open any of your internet browsers such as Firefox, Chrome. Here, I'll be using Firefox. Just click on the Firefox on your dock to open. In the top search bar, type the keyword Download Lumi. Click on the site that starts with Lumi Education. Make sure to click on the official Lumi websites. As soon as you open the site, you will find an option called Lumi Desktop Editor. Click on it. On the download page, you will see multiple download options for Windows, Mac and Linux. Under the macOS section, you will see two different versions of the Lumi installer. One version is for Intel and the other one is labeled Apple Silicon. Since my Mac has Intel processor, I'll download the Intel version by clicking on it. If your Mac has an Apple Silicon chip like M1 or M2, then you should download the other one. Once you click the right version, just wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, go to your browser downloads. You will see the file that ends with .emg. Just click on it to start the installation. A pop-up window will appear showing the Lumi file and the folder labeled Applications. Now, simply drag the Lumi file into the application folder, just like I am doing here. Then wait for a few seconds. That's it. You have successfully installed Lumi. To open Lumi, click on the launchpad in your dock and look for Lumi. You can also search for Lumi using the search bar. Then just click on it to open the app. When you click on the Lumi for the first time, another pop-up window might appear with a warning and few options. Don't worry. Just click open. You only need to do this at once. Once Lumi opens, it will ask you to agree their terms and conditions. To proceed, just click on accept all and that's it. You are now ready to start using Lumi. I hope the installation process was easy and you were able to follow along. If you want to learn more about Lumi and explore its features, check the link in the description and visit our learn page. Thanks for watching.